Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming hardware and enabling touch. Check that your Chromebook has a 360 degrees hinge or convertible design, then update Chrome OS to the latest stable build so features behave predictably. Once done, open Settings and enable touch, stylus, and auto-rotate options under Device. This ensures the screen and input respond correctly. Make sure sleep and tablet timeout settings match how you'll use it. These small steps prevent interruptions and let you proceed to rearrange apps for tablet use. Now you'll convert the interface for touch. Rotate the device or use the overview key to place apps into full screen, pinch and drag to switch tasks. Install Android apps from Google Play when you need touch-optimized versions and prefer progressive web apps for lightweight use. Then, adjust the launcher behavior, set the shelf to auto-hide, and increase zoom or font size to make targets easier to tap. These changes reduce accidental touches and make multitasking smooth when you're holding the device like a tablet. Finish by tailoring input and confirming reliability. Calibrate your stylus if available, and test palm rejection so writing feels natural. Use the floating keyboard for short typing and a keyboard cover when you need sustained input. Once satisfied, lock orientation or set rotation to automatic depending on use. If touch or rotation misbehaves, reboot first, check Chrome OS updates, and run diagnostics in settings to isolate hardware issues. If problems persist, remove recently added apps or extensions. This often resolves unexpected conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.